We had this potential client the other day. They came to us for a quote to have a document pre-translated, a document that they translated in-house, to be revised, to be proofread. It turned out that the translation was done by a mix and match of AI, GPT, and popular MT machine translation tool, which is very popular in the market. And the translation needed a lot of improvement. And this is the thing with AI, translating documents with AI, or just machine translation without knowledge of how the tools work and how to apply them. I would equate this to another scenario in which, let's suppose I want to change my kitchen, and I buy the units and I want to DIY it. So I install the units that I have now, and I install the new unit. But then I'm not quite happy with how everything turned out, because the units there's a mismeasurement here and there's a gap there, and so I ask a professional who installs kitchens, and the quote he gives me is, in my mind, high. But then he explains, yes, Karina, but the thing is that what you need to understand is that you installed the unit yourself. I have to uninstall everything and then install everything back. So for me is double work. And this is exactly the same happens in this situation. The thing is that it's a lot more efficient having to work with the document from scratch and doing the translation from scratch than having to correct badly translated stuff. So next time you are wondering whether I have the document translated with AI or just machine translation without knowledge of how the translation process goes, please bear this in mind. And at My Language Hub, we are more than happy to help you with that translation project.